Every business owner knows that tracking expenses can get messy real fast. But what if it didn't have to be? Let me show you how to record your expenses the smart and easy way using the HelferAI Inventory. I've got exciting news for you at the end of this video, so stay with me. Start by clicking on the menu tab and selecting expenses. Here you will see options to import data or add it manually. For this video, we will be using the manual method. Click on Add New Expense Record. Now enter the expense details step by step. Add the purpose of the expense, the date, and the employee or salesperson involved. Next, impute the approver, the total cost, and the account used. Include the reference number and add a description if needed. You can also upload extra details like an image of the receipt. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Your record is automatically saved and you can access it anytime along with all your other expense records. Simple, right? Now here is the exciting part. As a business owner, you get a 1 month free trial on HelferAI Inventory. 1 month, zero risk, smarter inventory starts now. Thank you.